So you might be trying to figure out how you can make a depth effect wallpaper on iOS 17. Now, doing this is actually very basic, but you do want to start off with the wallpaper. So you want to go ahead and find a wallpaper somewhere that basically has a depth effect type of effect to it. So you can see right here, I had some wallpapers from before. So all you want to do is go ahead and find a wallpaper that works for you. Not every single wallpaper will give you that depth effect, but a majority of them will. So whenever you're ready, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and get into your lock screen of your specific iPhone. So you basically come into this page. Now what you're going to want to do is hold down on that lock screen like this, and you will basically see this little option come up. So what you're going to want to do here is you can basically scroll to the side and you can add a new wallpaper. So tap on that little plus icon right there, and you'll come into this page. Now, if you want to go ahead and use one of their stock wallpapers that they have, you can just choose whichever one down here. Or if you want to add your own wallpaper, you can go and click on this little photos icon in the top left corner, and you'll basically see a glimpse of all the different types of photos that are available. Now, like I said, some of these will have that depth effect and some of them will not. So I did have a wallpaper here that worked pretty well. I don't know where it is now, but I'll go kind of searching for it. So if you can find a wallpaper that works for you, that's probably going to be the best thing going, in my opinion. So here is that particular wallpaper. It's like a Spider-Man one I found earlier. So what I can do is I can go ahead and tap on the wallpaper like this, and it will go ahead and bring it in automatically. Now, it tells me right here that I can switch between styles, so it's like a little different effect or whatever. But if I want to go and have that little depth effect, what I can do is I can kind of go ahead and kind of position this up a little bit. And sometimes it may take a couple of seconds for it to kind of, maneuver a little bit better. But there should be a little option at some point, which basically allows me to get that little depth effect, little effect to it. I don't know why this time it's not working. It was working earlier. But essentially, depending on the wallpaper that you actually choose, you should be able to get that little effect. And you can see that, depending on the wallpaper, it has to be in high quality. There should be a little depth effect option that comes right here. And you should be able to pinch to crop to change it. And you can see that it does get in front of the specific clock right there. I'll make a different video on how to kind of fix it if it's not working. But it really is dependent on that image that you have. And as long as that image is of a good quality, then it should end up working for you. So that's basically how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.